Good evening, my fellow scientists. It is Wednesday, October 18th, 2017, and I want to talk to you all about fish depression. Evidently, fish can be depressed. I did not know this fact. I don't own any fish, but there was a really cool article in the New York Times that I stumbled into about how even zebrafish, the little model organism that biologists study, can become depressed. And the way they use these little fish to model depression is they get them drunk for a week or two and then take their booze away. I just love this idea. You put little ethanol in the fish tank for a couple weeks and then stop with the ethanol, and they get all depressed and they float around at the bottom of their tank and they're very sad. I guess it's hard to say if a fish is really sad. You can't ask them. Well, they don't answer. And but they behave as if they're sad. They don't take an interest in food or new objects or new tanks. But if you give them antidepressants, they do. They start to take an interest in such things, and they seem to pull out of their sad swimming around the bottom of the tank funk. So I'll put a link to the whole article in the description. But I love the notion that there are people who care enough about biology and depression to ask that question. Can fish be depressed? Not because they're, PETA. You know, these are biologists. They're not worried about the quality of life of their zebrafish particularly. Zebrafish have a sad destiny in the wild of swimming around and being eaten. And now they're in captivity and their destiny is to swim around and not be eaten. So it's not a bad life for a fish. So that's not the issue. The issue is, can we learn enough about depression and the biochemistry of depression and the genetics of depression to make a better effort at helping people who experience it? People, not fish. As funny as it is to see the picture of the betta fish on the cover there, because they do look perpetually frowny, but I'll let you read the article and see for yourselves. So yeah, fish depression. If you like that kind of thing, tune in Monday through Friday. We talk about the literature, we talk about our results, and pretty soon we're going to start talking about batteries again, because I got my potassium ferricyanide in today, and we're going to build a battery tomorrow. So if you like that kind of thing, stay tuned, and we'll see you then.